Hey guys, this is the Espresso machine cleaner tablets from Active. It's supposed to remove residues from oils, organic residues, mineral deposits, and more. Keeps all internal parts clean for fresher espresso taste. So what you're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and fill the tank all the way up to full in the back. Oh, look at that. It says thank you. Order and reviews means more than you think. Awesome. Go ahead and pop out the cover on the top. It also recommends that you keep it with the tablets to keep the tablets fresh. So what you're going to go ahead and do is take the cleaning tablet and go ahead and place it directly in. And then you're going to go ahead and just add a tablet directly on the cleaning disc, as so. And then you're going to go ahead and actually just equip it directly to the area where the coffee is made. Go ahead and pull up your cleaning cycle. As you can see, it's clearly described how to use it. You're going to go ahead and place the cleaning disc and tablet into the, and then it's just going to ask you to start when ready and go ahead and hit the cleaning cycle. Oh wow, look at all that stuff that's coming out. I guess it's been a while since I've cleaned this out.